Hey Macro Heart community, welcome back. So today I want to give you an introduction about real world assets and blockchain. So as discussed in one of my first videos, that blockchain is like a universe on its own. So it's a closed system, and miners who decide truth on blockchain, they don't care what's going on in the real world. So for them, anything that exists on blockchain is the truth, and anything that doesn't exist on the blockchain, it is not the truth. But now there is a very important need to bridge the blockchain universe with the real universe. And this is done through something called oracles. And I'm pretty sure you must have heard of Chainlink, which is a blockchain that empowers oracles for different blockchains. So Chainlink brings real world data on any blockchain, and this is done through a game theoretic mechanism similar to proof of staking, and this ensures that the data that is brought on a blockchain via Chainlink is pretty robust and not susceptible to vulnerabilities. So now once we have real world data on blockchain, we can do a lot of stuff with that. So to start with, we can bring real world assets on blockchain. For instance, if we talk about stablecoins, then they are a real world asset. Similarly, we can have tokenized stocks, as well as we can have NFTs which represent a token. For example, the coupon for Pizza Hut, as discussed in the previous video. So once we have real world information on blockchain, we can also build derivatives like options. Another interesting way to implement real world assets using blockchain is to go the other way around. That is, instead of bringing real world assets on blockchain universe, we can take blockchain assets and bring them to the real universe. So take for instance Goldfinch Finance and Maple Finance. So what these guys do is that they collect assets on a blockchain in a distributed manner, and then they lend these assets to real world businesses, where each business can borrow these assets and then use it to grow their business, and after some point they can pay back these assets with an interest. So this is how blockchain assets are being used in real world by representing a payment of underwriting, and this is also an example of real world asset bridging. So hope you liked today's video, and subscribe to Macro Heart community and become part of it. And this video was meant to serve as an introduction, and we'll discuss more in depth about real world assets in the upcoming videos. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.